dun sa mga addictus, sorry yung mga fanatics, Pacquiao, Pactards na tinatawag na talaga namang sinasabi nila, sino dito yung naniniwala na Pacquiao is still the best, Pacquiao is still prime, Pacquiao pa rin ang pinakamalakas, Pacquiao ang pinakamaangas, sino ang naniniwala? Yan. So, baka po kasi iniisip nyo na bata pa si Pacquiao, 46. Kaya nakirinig ko na kagad, may mga nagsasabi, what's next for Manny Pacquiao? Nakapila na kagad yung kalaban na ako po, I am probably one of the avid supporter. I'm not gonna claim number one, but I'm one of the avid supporter of Filipino boxers, most specifically Manny Pacman Pacquiao because he's my inspiration and my motivation in life. But I also have to be honest with myself na he's not in his prime. So, medyo may kaba. So, understand what is at stake. What are us at stake? It's not just the title. Okay? Hindi lang po titulo. What is at stake here? What do you think is more important than the title? Sige. If you're kung naiisip yung naiisip ko, and as may mga nagko-comments, bakit sir apektado ko masyado? Bakit sir masyado ka nag-react? Man, I'm a commentator, I'm a hype man, of course, I'm very emotional, I'm very passionate with what I do. More important than the title, that is at stake. Ayan, nakita ko na yung tamang sagot. Nakita ko na. And some of you might not think of this. But ako kasi, minsan advance ako mag-isip and I look beyond the sports. Look beyond titles. So, this is not just about the title. And legacy, it's very important, but legacy is always there. Okay? Already there. When I say already there, do you guys agree with me that whether Manny Pacquiao or win or loses this one, he will still be one of the greatest boxers of all time everywhere. Kahit anong universe. No? So, hindi po yon. Filipino pride, it's important. And nakita ko, wini-wave niya yung flag, di ba? Doon sa Griffith Park yata yun, Unfortunately, one of my dreams was to be there. Kumbaga, makisama, makivideo, makablog dito. Hanggang si Marvin mabait na lang talaga nakagawa niyan. Tsaka iba, the California dream to be with Pacquiao, it's not gonna happen. But we still wish them luck. We're still happy. Legacy, ito yung hinahanap kong sagot. And I want to give a big shout out to Lloyd Hernandez. What is at stake as well is his health. People forget about this. And this is also a scary part. In fact, the most scariest of all. And the reason why a lot of us or a lot of people are kind of nervous. Sa totoo lang, tanongin kita, Sir, ikaw po, nilalapit ko na yung mukha ko sa'yo. Ikaw ba, nininervyos ka ba o kinakabahan ka ba dahil sa tingin mo mas magaling si Barrios? Yun totoo. Sabihin mo sa akin, sa tingin mo, bakit ka nininervyos dito? Or bakit ka kahit papano nagdududa or kinakabahan sa laban na ito? Because I'm sure you are. Bakit? Sa tingin mo, mas magaling manuntok si Mario Barrios? Sa tingin mo, kakabahan ka dahil mas matangkad si Mario Barrios? Sa tingin mo, kakabahan ka dahil mas skillful si Mario Barrios? Mas malakas sumuntok? I don't think so because I don't think that's the truth. I think Pacquiao is still skillful. No? I think Pacquiao can also punch hard. But kakabahan ka dahil sa edad ni Manny. At sa kanyang, again, sa kanya pong inactivity for a while. So, thinking about that, and may mga nagsabi nga sa mga napapanood ko, sabi, your odds and the reason why you're picking Barrios, is it basically mainly because of his age? May mga ganun mag-decide eh. Kayo guys, kaya nyo ba sinasabi na lamang si Barrios or kaya nyo ba sinasabi na mahirapan si Pacquiao? It's just because of the age? That's the main factor? If that is a factor, how many percentage of the 100% total factor is the age and yung kanyang inactivity? 'Di ba? Of course, legacy, pag manalo siya dyan, that's gonna be a great legacy. So, yun. Yun yung medyo nakakakaba. So, what is at stake here is more than just legacy, but the future of Manny, the health of Manny, because at that age, he could be in trouble. But 100, one thing is for sure, pinili nila si Barrios because they felt that he can win against Barrios. 'Di ba? I think totoo naman na kayang talunin ni Manny Pacquiao si Mario Barrios. If Manny Pacquiao can be a shade of like let's say the Kit Thurman fight. Do you guys agree with me? Yes, I'm sure you do. Okay, so that is what is a stake also. Not just the belt, not just the title, not just the legacy, not just the pride of Philippines, but the health at 46 years old, fighting right back. It's always at stake. It's in bigger stake right now. So, all right, that's the